Have you ever wondered why some men barely try? Yet women can't stop thinking about them, while others work so hard and still get ignored. It almost feels unfair, doesn't it? But here's the truth. What makes a woman obsessed isn't money, looks, or charm alone. It's the psychology. It's how you carry yourself, how you think, and how you live. And if you understand these 7 Stoic psychological tricks, you'll notice women begin to chase you, not the other way around. Let me explain. The first thing is mystery. Women are drawn to what they cannot easily figure out. If you reveal everything about yourself in the first meeting, your feelings, your plans, your weaknesses, you become predictable. And predictability kills attraction. Think about the last time you watched a movie where you already tricked number 1, the power of Mr. Rick knew the ending. Boring, right? That shows she feels when you give away your entire story in one go. A Stoic man doesn't hide in a manipulative way. He simply understands that silence, restraint, and calm confidence say more than over-explaining. Let her wonder about you. Let her try to figure you out. That curiosity slowly turns into obsession. The second trick is emotional control. Most men lose it here. They get angry too fast. They show jealousy. They beg for attention. But Marcus Aurelius said, you have power over your mind, not outside events. And that includes how you react to women. Imagine Ash ignores your text. The average guy panics, double texts, and ruins everything. But the Stoic man smiles, goes back to his own life, and keeps his energy steady. That calmness makes her trick number 2, emotional control. Why calm men win? Think, why isn't he chasing me? Why does he seem so secure? That's when she begins to chase, because nothing makes a woman more obsessed than a man who doesn't need her validation to feel strong. Third is presence. Not texting presence, not online presence, real physical eye-to-eye presence. Most men don't realize how powerful their energy is in the moment. When you talk to her, don't look around the room. Don't fidget with your phone. Don't rush your words. Look directly at her. Listen with full attention and speak slowly. When you give your complete presence, it feels rare because almost no one does it anymore. And rarity makes value. When she leaves you, she keeps replaying that trick number 3, magnetic presence energy in her mind. That's an obsession being planted. Now, let's talk about something almost no man gets right. Detachment. This is the 4th Stoic trick. Most guys think love means holding on tight. They suffocate her with constant calls, gifts, and attention. But in reality, obsession grows when there is space. A Stoic knows that nothing external is fully his. Not money, not status, not even love. He enjoys it but does not cling. So if she pulls back, he lets her. If she disses him, he stays unmoved. This drives her wild because she sees a man horfices to beg. A man who cannot be emotionally controlled. That's when she starts to feel she might lose you. And that fear makes her invest even more. The 5th trick is self-mastery. You want her obsessed. Master yourself first. Discipline is magnetic. Think of the man who wakes up early, works on his body. Trick number 4. Detachment and freedom reds. Builds his career and doesn't waste his nights on empty pleasures. He shines differently. His life has weight. A woman looks at him and thinks, if he can master himself, maybe he can handle him. 2. That's when obsession flips, because attraction isn't just about fun, it's about respect. And respect always fuels desire. The 6th Stoic trick is propose. This one is huge. Most men make the mistake of putting a woman at the center of their life. They revolve around her like a planet around the sun, but here's the hard truth. No woman wants to be your whole world. She wants to be part of your world. When she sees that your purpose comes first, your mission, your goals, your growth, she respects you. And respect is the root of trick number 5. Self-mastery equals respect and desire obsession. Think about it. A man with no mission becomes clingy. His energy screams, please give me meaning. But a man with a mission already has meaning. He doesn't need her to complete him. And that difference is electric. She feels that your attention is a reward, not a gift she can take for granted. She starts to fight for your time because she knows it's rare. Purpose makes her compete for you. The seventh and final trick is unpredictability. Don't mistake this for playing games. This is about being alive, being dynamic, being hard to box in. Most men fall into patterns. Dinner at the same places, same words, same texts. Women are emotional creatures. They feel deeply, and emotions thrive on surprise. Trick number 6. Living with purpose. A Stoic man understands this. He keeps his values steady, but his actions fresh. Maybe today you take her to dinner. Tomorrow you invite her to a sunrise walk. Next week you vanish for 2 days to work on yourself and return stronger. She never quite knows what's next, and that keeps her hooked. But there's the twist. Unpredictability is not about chaos. It's about balance. She knows you're stable. She knows you won't break. But she also knows you're not like every other man who lives on repeat. But that combination, that's what drives her obsession. Now, let me tie this together with a story. Imagine Twoman. The first man gives a woman everything right away. Constant texts, oversharing, no purpose of his own. He becomes predictable. She grows bored, attraction dies. The second man lives differently. He carries mystery. He controls his emotions. His presence is trick number 7, unpredictability without chow strong. He never clings. He masters himself. He lives with purpose and he keeps life interesting. What happens? She thinks about him at night. She wonders what he's doing when he's not around. She craves his attention because it's not freely given. She becomes the best not because he tried too hard, but because he understood human psychology and Stoic wisdom. Think about how rare it is today to find a man who doesn't beg, doesn't break, and doesn't bend just to win attention. Most men don't even realize they're giving their power away. They try to buy love with gifts, prove their worth with words orcus endlessly for scraps of affection, but the Stoic man lives differently. He doesn't try to control anyone else. He only controls himself. And because of that, he becomes unforgettable. This is final Stoic lesson plus call to action. We women become obsessed. Not because you played tricks on them, but because you finally became the kind of man they respect, admire, and can't stop thinking about a man who is calm yet powerful, detached yet passionate, present yet mysterious. This balance is magnetic. So here's the choice. You can ignore what you've learned and keep living like an average man, clinging, chasing, hoping, or you can take these 7 Stoic tricks and live them every single day. If you do, you won't have to chase Anion ever again. They'll chase you. If this message spoke to you, if it opened your eyes, then don't just leave it there. Share your thoughts in the comments. Tell me which of these 7 traits you feel you need to work on most. And if you want more videos that guide you step by step into becoming this kind of man, make sure you'll subscribe. That way, you'll never miss what could be the lesson that changed your life. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next.